Hey, good evening everybody. This is Gabriel again from Acevacuums in Fairfax. On today's video, we're going to be talking about the CleanMax commercial Zoom vacuum from Riccar. To start with, it comes with a aluminum handle, and for better grip, you have a foam grip here. It comes with two metal hooks to wrap the cord around, which is 35-foot commercial cord. And it comes with two bags, one outer bag that's made of cloth, and you have another bag inside, which is a HEPA media paper bag to capture all the dust, dander, and particles. And it just keeps it contained till it's time to replace another bag. And talking about the brush roll, it comes with wooden brush roll, and it has a rubber belt which is easy to replace in case of wear and tear, and the base plate is made of polycarbonate material to last for many years, and it has two rear rubber wheels and front wheels, totally 6 wheels, all made of rubber coated ones, so that it doesn't leave any marks on your bare floors. It comes with a self height adjustment, and you have your on and off switch at the base. All that you have to do is just tap off your foot, it goes on and off. So this is a well-built commercial vacuum, just weighing 8 pounds, yet very powerful, with 5.5 amp motor for great vacuum cleaning. So I hope you all like this video. Till next time, bye bye.